Hello, in this tutorial I will talk about Java layouts and UI controls. I will make 4 or 5 tutorials on this topic. Let's start our first tutorial. I have already made a project. Okay, alter enter. Fine. In JavaFX layouts, we have few things. Let's show you. Import JavaFX .scene .layout HBox, VBox, flow pane, border pane, grid pane. These are okay. So I'm importing all these things. I will use this in my code. First of all, let's start with HBox. I have already shown the use of HBox in my previous tutorials when I built a login application using binding and properties of JavaFX. In this tutorial, we will try to go in depth of HBox. So HBox actually it places the child nodes added to this HBox in horizontal row. If I add one by one nodes to HBox, this is placed at the right. For example, I have added node 1 to HBox. It will be placed on the left. And if I add node 2, it will be added to the right of the first node. In this way, it will continue. By default, HBox layout, it actually honors the child's preferred width and height. And if the parent node is not resizable, for example a group node, the row height of the HBox takes on the height of the child node with the greatest preferred height. Okay. By default, each child node aligns to the top left. If I add one child, it will align to left as much as it can. Okay. In HBox, we can use set grow as a set HGrow method to allow growing horizontally. For example, in text field, to allow the grow of text field horizontally, I have to set HBox.set HGrow method. For example, if I consider a text field, my text, new text field, fine. HBox dot set grow my text field priority but always, that means it will always grow in the horizontal direction. Okay. Maybe I can create a horizontal box, HBox row equal to new HBox row dot add, maybe row dot get children, my text field. Okay. Let's try to add this root. I have to add the HBox to root. Okay, let's try to see if we can see something. Just it's a demo, it's not an so the text box is shown in the, so if I write text, it is going horizontally. See, it's going horizontally. So if I add another, maybe button, button is string text. Okay, okay. Add all, maybe row, button. See, by default it's added to let, but if I add this button to row box, it will, if I add the button to row box, see what will HBox row, what will happen. But so I added it to the root, and see the button is added here. That means as soon as the text box ended, the button has started. As I have said, by default the position property is post or top left. Okay, if I set, for example, I am setting button dot set set alignment, set alignment post dot center, maybe center right. Then let's see what happens. It's still there, but if it is not here, maybe post dot top right. Okay, now see here. Now let's see the output. It's still there, no problem. But if I set the alignment of my text field, dot set alignment, by default the alignment is post dot top left. Maybe I can make it top right. Let's try to see what the output looks like now. See the text box alignment. Okay, so it looks like I am writing. For example, if I write some words that start from right side, maybe Arabic, I can use this font, this alignment. Okay, now try to do something more. I will use, for example, let's delete all these things. HBox, let it remain here. How many constructors it have? HBox, remain spacing, double spacing. Okay, 5. Let's Control G. If I put the 5 here, you will see in the output there is a spacing of 5 between the two nodes. Okay, Let's draw some rectangles. Rectangle equal new rectangle 10 10 square R2 equal rectangle 20 20 R2 R3 equal new rectangle 5 20. This is R2, maybe rectangle R4 equal new rectangle 20, sorry 5. Okay, so I have a ace box and 4 rectangles. Row dot get children. Something is wrong here. Get children dot add all. R1, R2, R3, R4. And now it's my job Is there anything wrong? R1, R2, R3. What's wrong here? Get children dot add all R1, R2, R3, R4. What's wrong here? Let's press Alt Enter. Method add all in interval. Given type. HBox dot row dot get children row. Any problem? What the hell is going here? Row dot get children. Okay. Dot add all R1, R2, R3, R4. Fine. Java.awt.rectangle. Again the same mistake. Java. This is the problem. I press just Alt Enter. The first one is java.awt.rectangle. Don't make this mistake. You have to import the rectangle of JavaFX scene.shape. Okay, fine. Now it's fine. Now my job is to add the row to root. Okay. See the output now. It will have Okay, I have 4 rectangles. Let's set some padding to row.set padding, new insert padding, actually new inserts 1. Okay, now see, there will be some padding of 1 pixel. If you make it more, maybe 5, it will be more clear to view. Okay, there is padding of 5 pixel. And what else we can do? Maybe we can set margin also. Row.set margin. We can set these properties using CSS. We will show that in next later tutorials. Set HBox dot set margin, HBox dot set margin. Okay, R1 maybe. New in sets two. Okay, that means R1 will have different margins. Right now we can increase this so that we can margin top maybe 10. Stop. Let's see, this one is top. Yep, margin top is set to 10 pixel. So that's all today about HBox. I will see you in next tutorial also with a different layout. Thanks all, keep watching.